Hello and welcome back to Info. In this video, I will show you how to change the language of GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! Luckily, changing the language is very easy. So, first you want to expand your settings. Then head into Preferences. Inside Preferences, scroll down a little until you will see a section called Regional. You can click that. But I didn't click that. Let's click it once again. I have no ability to click that. Okay, I have clicked that now, sorry. And as you can see, we do have language here. We can click language, and we have few settings. We have France, Deutsch, Italiano, Espanol, and all of that. But if you want to switch to simply English from other foreign language, the English language should be at the top. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.